Live in your RV year-round or extend your camping season to camp in colder weather. EasySnap RV skirting provides the essential protection needed to use your RV in cold and varied climates. RV owners know the struggle of maintaining comfort in extreme weather. Frozen and damaged pipes, cold drafts, heat loss, and wasted energy are common challenges. EasySnap RV skirting is designed to tackle these issues head-on. Our skirting system features durable, weather-resistant material, easy-to-use snaps, and a no-drill installation process. Installation is a breeze, and by doing it yourself, you can avoid costly custom-sewn skirts and lengthy turnaround times. Just adhere the adhesive snap studs and pins to your RV, push the fabric over the pins, snap the caps on, and trim the fabric to fit. It's that easy. No special tools are required, and it can be done in just an afternoon. With EasySnap, you'll enjoy better insulation, reduced energy costs, and a more comfortable living space year-round. Plus, it's designed to fit any RV model. EasySnap is the #1 solution for custom RV skirts. Save thousands when you purchase custom RV skirting from EasySnap and cut and configure your skirt yourself. Unlike other skirting options, EasySnap offers a no-drill option that's both durable and affordable and works on many RVs. For tougher installations, our screw-in snaps can be used. Our patented snap system ensures a secure fit that keeps your skirt in place. Ready to upgrade your RV living experience? Visit EasySnapDirect.com or call 877-439-7627 to order your EasySnap RV skirting today. Stay comfortable no matter the weather. EasySnap RV Skirting, the world's #1 RV skirting solution.